Hello friends, we are using this beautiful cutout to make our artwork today. First, we will mark the edges of the artwork to define our circle. We are trying to find the center of this cutout. So I am quickly marking the circle on a paper and we will cut out this circle. Now we will place the circle on the cutout and fold it into half. Again, make one more fold, and now the edge that is formed, we will cut it in a very small piece. So you can see we have got our center. This is the image that will be transferring on the cutout. I am taking a circle of around 4.5 centimeters, and we will cut this circle and place it on the image that we want to transfer, and just see whether the essential part of the photograph is getting covered within the circle. Now again trying to find the center of the smaller circular cutout. By placing the circle in the center of the cutout, I am trying to see how much area is left after placing this photograph in the center for the dot art. Now we will mark the circle on the photograph and cut it out. Try to make sure that you cut a little bit more than the mark section. I forgot to mention that you will need a laser printout of the image on a regular paper, not on the photo paper. I think now the size is perfect for the photo transfer. We will need a Fevicryl modpodge or any modpodge to transfer the image or the photograph on the MDF cutout. So take some modpodge on the printed side of the paper and make sure you spread enough modpodge on the cutout, image cutout. Spread it to the edges of the image with a brush, and no part should be left out, otherwise we will not be able to transfer the image successfully. Now just turn it over and make sure it is aligned in the center and press it with light hands. You can use a pencil or something flat like a ruler or a credit card, and make sure there is no air gap in between the MDF cutout and the image, and try to press the image down completely on the cutout. After around 10 hours, the paper has completed to the MDF cutout. Now we will use a damp sponge, or you could also use a wet paper towel, and just dab it on the center where we have paper. Here what we are trying to do is we are trying to moisten the paper. It might take a bit more time. So you can just dab it on the paper and see, now you can see the paper is getting moist. It is catching water, and as soon as the paper starts getting damp, just by doing such finger movements, you can scrape the paper. Just make sure that you do it very softly. So here what has happened is, with the help of the Mod Podge, the image has got stuck on the wood or the MDF cutout, and we are just trying to remove the paper from top by just making it wet. This process is a little time consuming. It might take a little more time, but just keep doing with soft hands. and gradually all the paper will come off. Paper has completely come off and we can see the image very clearly, and we have been successful to transfer this image. Now we need to wait for a few more hours for the MDF and the image to dry. It has been almost 7 to 8 hours, and photo transfer and the MDF have completely dried. Now we will apply a clear coat of gloss varnish to protect our photo transfer. I am applying varnish to the photo part on the MDF cutout. Make sure you cover the entire part of the photograph, because if while doing dot painting, if we drop some color and if we want to wipe it off, we just want to make sure that it doesn't spoil the photograph. When the varnish dries, we will apply black acrylic color paint in the remaining area of the MDF cutout. Wait for the black paint to dry, and then we will start our dot painting on it. I will be using metallic colors for this painting. The first circle of dots will be placed just on the edge of the photograph. Thus, it will look like the photo is embedded in the painting. And it's complete. This was a surprise anniversary gift I gifted to my husband. Please do subscribe to my channel, give it a like button, and do share my artwork. I would love to read your comments. Please do comment. Thank you for watching. Wish you have a great day. Take care. Bye for now.